It has a cold scroll, Russell. That's a good. Oh, good. Good. So important. Purchase here. Low ambient. This one's just a low ambient kit. Low ambient kit. Low ambient. Turns on and off. Why it says low ambient kit? I don't know. Maybe it's a bad capacitor. Maybe it's a bad motor. This motor's pretty bad motor. We might need a new capacitor. That's a weak capacitor. Oh, oh, this one shut off. Oh, it shuts down. Oh, it shuts down. Oh, that's a Goodman. Yeah, that's Goodman. It has a weak capacitor. It's leaky. Shuts down. Shuts down.
Did you see her taking
Well, it has a Copeland scroll compressor. Okay, yeah, I'm right here. Yeah, it's a 2014, and it's a 4-ton. It's a 9th month of. Yeah. Okay, yep. I'm still running. Oh, I wanna